Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I will show you how you can use your WhatsApp account on your PC. This you need to open a website web.whatsapp.com on your PC. By opening this website you will see a QR code on your screens. You need to scan this QR code with your WhatsApp. For this you need to open your WhatsApp and click on the three dots in the rightmost corner. A drop down menu will appear. Click on WhatsApp web. A QR code scanner will be open. Now scan the QR code given on your PC. The WhatsApp has been open on my PC. I'm going to show you. You can see. In this way you can use your WhatsApp account on your PC. Friends, if you like my video, thumbs up video, share the video with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.